every company is trying to shift towards the AI, and AI going to replace humans in a sense that a lot of jobs get affected. I give an example. For example, if currently we have a call centers, right? And we have a staff who take a calls, answer, and do give necessary help. I mean, the first talk which we have generally is a customer care team, right? So the customer care team's jobs will replace with the AI, because AI can give the answers to the basic questions, right? They can answer whatever the basic questions you have and give the answer on that, and then if needed it forward to the relevant guy who do the troubleshooting, right? If more attention needed, but from the AI itself that thing get resolved. So that is one of the use case where AI can replace the job. Nowadays in IT companies there is a lot of automations happening. I mean, I am into the networking field, and it's difficult to do the automation in a networking in a each everything, but AI now giving a lot of supports in this area also. Even the vendor who's working on, I mean, who's having this product, networking products, they come up with the AI things, and itself they are trying to resolve a lot of things. So slowly I think every department will be having the AI, and AI going to take jobs for sure. Let's talk about AI automation and how it's silently changing everyone around us, right? Number one, AI automation saves massive amount of time. Tasks that took hours, now it can be done in seconds. It reduces a lot of human efforts. I mean, human get tired, AI doesn't, right? Automation reduces errors, improves accuracies, keeps system consistent 24 by 7. Then AI doesn't take any breaks, like they are not on a sick leave or holidays, right? They are 24 by 7 available, and they do every work, right? It improves the productivity. I mean, how it improves the productivity? Human can focus on limited things, but AI can focus on creativity, decision making, innovations, and that is what real productivity, right? uh AI automation works day night, no downtime, no burnout, just continuous output, correct? What is the future impact? I mean, do you think AI going to replace humans? What could a human do for to get rid of all those things? Human need to upgrade their self, not only with respect to the AI technologies, understanding how AI thing works, but also the key technologies what they are actually working in. You have to be very top into that. I mean, just basic understanding will not help. So I hope you understand what AI can do. And at last, thanks for watching this video, guys, and have a wonderful day.